1, 2, battle of the pressure cookers. Today we're gonna look at the Instant Pot Ultra and the All-Clad Pressure Cooker. We're gonna battle it out between these two pressure cookers on a basic task that all pressure cookers should be able to do, and that is rice. We are gonna test these two pressure cookers out to see which one wins. So join me for battle of the pressure cookers, Instant Pot versus All-Clad. Let the games begin. So these are our two contenders. We first have the Instant Pot Ultra. This is a classic pressure cooker. It has all the functions that you would expect on a pressure cooker. It's 6 quart and it has everything from pressure cooking low and high. It does soup and broth, meat and stew, chilies, steaming, slow cooking, sauteing, keep warm, porridge, rice, multigrain, cake, egg, sterilize, yogurt, and an ultra setting. This is one of the core pressure cookers in the Instant Pot line. Next up, we have the All-Clad. This is a brand new pressure cooker in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. We just got this baby in the house. This is a 6 quart pressure cooker as well. It has pressure cook, slow cook, saute, sear, reduce, steam, rice, and reheat. One of the things that's interesting about this pressure cooker is it has an automatic release. So normally if you want to do a manual release, like you want to get all the pressure out there quickly, you usually push a button on here, it goes. Otherwise you have to do a natural release, which means you have to let it come down from pressure on its own slowly and gently. This has a button called steam release, and when this is on at the end of the cycle, it will automatically release all the pressure. You can do a manual from here by just turning this button off. So that's pretty interesting. So one of the things I wanted to do is I wanted to take a basic white rice. We're going to do 2 cups of rice. We're doing a 1-to-1 ratio. So we're going to do 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of water in both of these cookers. We're going to be using these cookers' rice settings, and we're going to see which one makes the best rice. So, cooks, it's time for Battle of the Pressure Cookers. Let's do this. Welcome back to Pressure Cooker Stadium. We are doing a 1-to-1 rice ratio, and I'm using jasmine rice. And what I've done is both of these, I've rinsed the rice thoroughly, triple, quadruple rinse. I run it under here using this little strainer. So we have our ingredients for both cookers. So let's put it in here. So we have our Instant Pot, gets the rice, gets 2 cups of water, a shaky of salt, and a little bit of swooshing around, and he's ready to go. Lid on. And now we have the All-Clad. And we have our rice. Ooh, it smells so good. Jasmine rice has such a nice scent to it. And our 2 cups of water, a little shaky with some salt. Give her a little turn. And we're going to put our lid down, close her down, and we're ready to go. Okay, so on the All-Clad, we're going to move the function over to rice. And we have rice here on the Instant Pot. And we're going to go ahead and hit start on both of these. We're doing the flat out rice setting. Whatever the company has pre-programmed in here for rice, that's what we're using. So we're going to let these come to pressure. We're going to see who comes to pressure first, and then we'll see what happens. So pressure cooker wars are commencing. So it's been 10 minutes. Neither one have come up totally to pressure. The All-Clad has a little bit of hissing going on. I did turn off the steam release because we're going to do a 10-minute natural release. Got two things. Both of them are the Instant Pot looks like it may be. It has a pin that comes up. This one doesn't. Oops. Nope. This one just went. He just made some adjustments in his thing. He looks like he's getting ready to
blow up.
The Instant Pot looks like it's getting ready to. When I did the water test on this one, it's funny because just before it comes to pressure, this little little steam thing adjusts, and then it comes to pressure. So, nope. The Instant Pot just sealed. That could have been this one sealing when it moved.
Could have been, so maybe he did.
So we'll see who goes to the countdown first. So if that was this one sealing, the All-Clad technically came to sealing first, and then this, but we'll see who hits the countdown first.
Instant Pot is still preheating.
Yeah, I think they're officially both sealed. So, oh, something just happened there.
Well, he just sealed. So maybe he was lagging. He had a pre-seal and the final seal.
Oh,
countdown.
The Instant Pot just went to countdown. But one difference is the All-Clad, the rice cycle is 9 minutes, where this one seems to be on 14 minutes. I think the Instant Pot, the Instant Pot sort of figures out how much humidity is in there, because when you first hit it, it'll say 12 minutes, and now it's saying 14. So whoop. The All-Clad just sealed. Now the All-Clad sealed. So I would say coming up to pressure, the Instant Pot was faster because it's now counting down, where the All-Clad just sealed now. The All-Clad doesn't have a pin that comes up because it does everything more like automatically than that. Whoop, there it goes. So I would say the All-Clad came in, took it about 2 minutes longer to come to pressure. So,
but he has a quicker cook time. He's going to cook for 9 minutes. This guy still got 12.
He's got a quicker cook time. So when this, when the cook time is over, we're going to do a 10-minute natural release. So we'll be back when they switch over to that. So the All-Clad just finished its cycle and it switched to keep warm. We want to go about 10 minutes. 10 to 15 on a natural release, and then we'll release the rest of the pressure. This allows a lot of the humidity to come out and helps dry the rice out a little bit. The Instant Pot still has 3 minutes to go on its cycle. So in terms of the cycle time, even though the All-Clad took a little bit more time to come to pressure, because its cycle time is lower than the Instant Pot, it finished faster. But the question is, what's going to be the quality of the rice? I mean, ultimately, that's what we're talking about. So we're going to let this one finish its cycle. We're going to do a 10-minute natural release, and then we'll test the rice out. So we'll be back. Okay, so the Instant Pot just finished its cycle, and it went to the keep warm setting. The All-Clad has been in the keep warm for 3 minutes. So I think we're gonna do 10 minutes on each one. So it'll give us a little bit of time to release the rest of the pressure out of the All-Clad, get the rice in a bowl. The Instant Pot will be done at that point, and then we will get it out of the bowl, and then we will do the true test of the taste. So we will be back when this one hits 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit the steam release button to release the rest of the steam out of the All-Clad. I kind of like that because you don't have, you don't risk burning yourself. But also you have to be careful because normally a lid that's on a regular pressure cooker, you can turn the lid and open it away from you. This cooker, you turn the lid and it basically opens towards you. So the steam goes in your face. So you have to really be careful about that. So while we're here, the Instant Pot is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and I guess the pressure's released out of that. And whoa. Here's our rice. Gonna give it a little fluff. Looks really nice. So let's serve up a little bit of the rice. Slightly sticky, I guess you could say. Looks really, really nice. Really nice. So let's see our Instant Pot. Woo! Okay, so let's go ahead and fluff it up. Gosh, it's really, really similar. Really, really similar. So this is our All-Clad, and this is our Instant Pot. Let me move this out of the way so we can take a taste. Okay, so here is our results. Here's the All-Clad. Really nice. Slightly sticky, but not really horribly sticky.
Now this is jasmine. Is it a long grain or medium grain?
Long grain.
Okay.
And here's the Instant Pot. The stickiness is about the same. To be honest with you, I don't think I could tell the difference between these two rices. A little butter on there. I can't tell the difference between the two. The results are exactly the same. You want to try, Matt? Okay, I won't tell you which one I'm going to give you. And you tell me which one you like better.
Spin the plate around, give me a mouthful, whatever.
Rice number 1.
Sticky, just a little dry. I didn't get no butter on that.
No.
Go ahead.
Rice number 2.
Equally sticky, dry. Who knows? You might just give me the same one twice.
Which one do you like better?
They're the same. You could have just given me the same dose twice.
Nope. The first one was the All-Clad, the second one was the Instant Pot.
Yeah, I would say they taste about the same, so.
Yeah. Yeah! So, who's the winner?
I don't know, the one with the butter.
You just ate the butter. I would say that the All-Clad was slightly faster. It came up to pressure a little slower, but the cycle was shorter than the Instant Pot. but within a couple minutes, I really don't care about that. The All-Clad is a way more expensive pressure cooker than the Instant Pot. The All-Clad is about $300, $250, $300. You can get these for like $90. So I just think the difference between the two is just this is a little bit more luxurious of appliance, but you'll get the same results out of that. The thing that I do like about this is that it has it releases the steam for you if you hit that button. That one you have to do. But the trade-off is you have to open this lid and the steam comes toward you, where that one you can open the other way. This comes off with this button. So I don't know. I think it's pretty much a toss-up, just a personal preference. I would say that I like the lid on that better, but I like that this automatically releases the pressure.
This one dumps condensate on your counter.
This one did?
Yeah, when you opened it, it hit that plate.
Yeah. Well, this one would too.
They don't have a condensate collector?
Yeah, they both have a condensate collector, but it still gets on the inside of the lid. So, I don't know. So, the winner of the pressure cooker battle between the Instant Pot and the All-Clad, it's a tie.
Sounds like we need another challenge.
We might need another challenge. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like. And don't forget to subscribe and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me out on social media at facebook.com/group/amylearnstocook. That's my Facebook group. Come on in there. We're going to talk about pressure cookers and all that fun stuff if you're interested in that. Also, you can catch me on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook, and on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. It's a tie. And now we have the All-Clad. And now we have the All-Clad. And now we